Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an about page in Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify admin dashboard, then log into your account. Go to online store, then click pages. Now click add page at the right side. Then title the page like about us. In the contact box, write your story, who you are, what your store stands for, etc. Use headings, short paragraphs, and maybe an image or two. Scroll down to scratch engine listing preview. Then click the edit button. Add a short description and URL like about. Then click save. Now let's add your about page to your menu. Go to online store from navigation bar. From here, have no navigation bar, but you have. Choose main menu, then footer menu. Click add menu item, name it like about, then click link, then pages, and choose the about page you just created, and click add, then save menu. Now preview your store, your about page is live and link to your menu. And that's it. Thanks for watching.